Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri, and today we're going to be opening the few items that I purchased on my Barnes & Noble walkthrough that I just showed recently on the channel. Barnes & Noble just recently had a 25% off everything sale, and it was a glorious time. I was really excited to get these particular scissors here. I do not know how to pronounce the name of them. Everything on this packaging is written in Japanese. Hikijiri Slim. Very, very nice. These are titanium. I feel like I need to cut something. I'm almost afraid to cut something. I'll probably end up cutting something on one of these things. I don't know. They kind of look dangerous to me, and Nakabeshi stainless steel. Very beautiful scissors. If nothing, I just wanted them for the looks, but I will be using them. I also purchased, for no reason whatsoever, this Paper Source, these set of 6 holiday squishies. It looks like these had been sort of opened, kind of. Okay, this is what I wanted to do. This is all I wanted to do. Look at the abominable snowman, the little polar bear. You get 6 of them. The gingerbread guy, the snowman, oh my god, the penguin, and oh my god, the reindeer. So you don't eat these or anything. These are just mini squishy toys. Poke and squeeze to enjoy these little holiday squishies. You're literally just supposed to poke and squeeze them for no reason. And you can literally squeeze all of them at the same time. So I purchased these. These are 25% off, of course, of the original price was $10.99. These are absolutely useless, but would make great throw in the bag gifts for next year or for Christmas in July. I just wanted to see them. There's no good reason that I bought that. This is what I'm really excited to unbox. This is the Bookshop. It's an advent calendar for me. I've been dropping this thing as I was dropping this as I was walking around Barnes & Noble trying to get footage of things. So I'm very concerned about what damage I may have done. But they call this their exclusive book lovers countdown calendar. Within 12 boxes is everything you need to enhance your reading experience. Open a new box each day and discover a unique surprise that adds a touch of magic to your bookish adventures. This was originally $44.99. I'm so glad I didn't see it when it was fresh and new. I'm so glad I saw it when they had the 25% off sale, because now I got it on sale for $30-something. It says, books are always good company if you have the right sort. Louisa May Alcott. So these are the 12, I guess for the 12 days of Christmas, it would have been. And this is very pretty. I'm already very pleased aesthetically with this. And it looks like we have a little shelf up here if we wanted to. And the numbers are very clear. I can see where to start. And I'm very excited. Okay, so there are boxes. Excuse me, my light behind me is having its own way in moving where it wants to move. So number 1, stickers. Very cute. Just one more chapter. That was in box 1. And I'm going to keep these boxes. I'm going to keep these boxes. Box 2. Hopefully you can still find these at your Barnes & Noble. Ooh, it's a keychain. It's a mirror. It's a mirror. And it has film over it, so you'd have to peel off, I think, maybe a protective film. A keychain mirror. I love these advent calendars. I didn't realize how big of a deal these were until I started watching videos for them at the end of the year. And now it's like I'm so into them for little presents, but not the really expensive ones. Like this one was reasonable. There's some like super duper expensive ones. I love how everything sits up perfectly in this calendar, and it's easier for me to show you. Day 3, it looks like we have a highlighter. Okay. Let's see what we got here. See how good of a highlighter this is. Just regular yellow, nothing special there. Okay, that was day 3. I don't know what I want to reuse this for, but it's definitely going to get reused. And maybe putting my own things in for someone special like my mom later on. Got my spot. I was here. Look at these bookmarks. These are nice. These are nice. Very nice. Middle bookmarks. That's 2 of them. I think we're starting off strong. I haven't seen anyone unbox this. Let me know if you've purchased this and if you like it, if you think it was worth the price. Day number 5. Let's just go ahead and take down number 6. Day number 5. Like I said, I didn't realize how big of a craze these have been on YouTube. These calendars with these gifts. I am reading. Ooh, it's a pen. It's a miniature pen. Okay. Trying to take this ball off there. Let's see if this is any good. If this is a good writing pen. Let's see if it's any good. If I could take the... Oh, no, this is actually really good. I was expecting this to not be a thinner tip on the pen. It writes beautifully. It writes very nice. I'm very happy with that. That's box 5. Let's look at box 6. I love surprises. Even though they told us what's in here on the back, they didn't tell us what it looked like. Okay, so we got some stickies. I have plenty of these, but I love them as bookmarks. They didn't do anything special within the box. They sort of just, you know, just threw it in the box. I don't blame them. So where are we at? 7. Let's see what's in 7. I'm very excited. Washi tape! I was wondering what box the washi tape was going to be in. Looks like a candy cane. Candy cane, washi tape, candy cane, washi tape. Very, very gorgeous. To be put in my washi tape collection. Eight and 9. I love how they did this because the way they stack it, everything goes back where it's supposed to go. So let's open 8. Something's a little heavy in here. A keychain. I have shelf control issues. Get it for book lovers? I can keychain this on the back of a journal. Very pretty. That was number 8. Let me lay out all my things here so we can get a good look at what we got going so far. 3 little stickers, highlighter, all the things you need for reading, right? Number 6. Yes, this is what I was excited about. It is a book light. You gotta pull this, but I don't know how to do it. I gotta pull this little white thing out. There we go. Ah, no, that was not supposed to happen. That was not supposed to happen. Pause. Okay, y'all. This is a book light. So you clip it on the page you're reading and it gives you light to read. And this turns it on and off. Love this for me. but you got to be careful with the little light. I was excited about that one. That was number 9. So let's do 10. 10, 11, and 12. Let's just leave that out. 10. Okay. Let's maybe be smart about this and lay this down. Put that back. That was, I don't know where this one was. Okay. So 10. To do. Bit of an elevated sticky note. No, it's not a sticky note. I'm sorry. It's just a list pad. They're not sticky. It's a planner list pad. It gives you the days and the task. So a bit of a elevated list pad there. I don't think this is anything. I think it's just part of the box. 11. Stay in order here. Ah, yes, a magnetic bookmark. Story of my life. Same on both sides. Very, very nice. Magnetic bookmark. Very, very nice. It's number 11. And finally, number 12. Where was number 4? There. Oh, I love how pretty that is. I love how easy it is and how pretty it is. I've been seeing a lot of little complex advent calendars. Number 12. Looks like we got something big. Books are magic. Oh, it's a candle. I forgot a candle was in here. Gardenia. Oh, very, very nice. Oh, this is very, very nice. That was your last day. And of course, we will reuse this. I think this would be great to regift. Not with the same things in it, but like you could even take this over and redecorate the front, make it specialized for someone. Like I said, my mom's the only person I would put that type of work in for, to do something like that for, and put a small gift in each box. Can you imagine me redecorating this for my mom and then getting her jewelry for each box? Like the good stuff, bracelets, rings, watches, little charms. Like you could really go all out and redo this. Or like lip glosses, money. Every day is a money, just rolled up money. So many ideas I have for that box, and I would repurpose it. And you could keep reusing it. Like, when I give my mom stuff, she gives me my containers right back because she knows she's going to see the same thing repurposed every year. So this is what came in that Book Lovers Bookshop calendar. I think it was worth the money. Probably could have been a little cheaper. I mean, I think this would have been worth maybe $20, not 30, and definitely not 44. So I definitely think it was overpriced originally for sure. But Barnes & Noble is a very expensive store and already overpriced in my opinion. So definitely not worth the $44.99. I wouldn't even say it was worth the price on sale. I would have preferred to see this at $20 if anything, but I do love this calendar and the boxes within and being able to reuse it. So you're partially paying for this too, along with everything that you got. Let me know how you feel about this in the comments. If you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put a book in the comments. Go ahead and follow me over on iTeary TV. Thank you for following me here on Pray Shop Cruise. Thank you. I hope that you continue to come back and watch my videos. I'm trying to push out some more content on this channel and be a little bit more active on this channel and stay active on iTeary TV. It is not easy. It's definitely not easy to manage 2 channels. So let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully I'll see you real soon. Bye.